Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make an easy hair bun in just a few simple steps. First, let's gather our essential supplies. You will need one hair tie, about 5 to 7 bobby pins, and a good brush. Make sure your hair is completely detangled and smooth. For extra hold and volume, consider using a texturizing spray before you begin. Now, let's create the foundation for your bun, a ponytail. Brush all your hair back smoothly and gather it into a ponytail at your preferred height. For a classic, elegant look, place it at the nape of your neck. If you prefer a more playful, high bun, position it at the crown of your head. Secure it firmly with your hair tie, ensuring there are no bumps. With your ponytail in place, it's time to form the bun. Take your ponytail and twist it tightly from the base all the way down to the ends. Once twisted, begin wrapping this twisted section around the base of your ponytail. Continue wrapping until all the hair is coiled into a neat bun shape. Make sure to tuck any loose ends securely underneath the bun itself. Finally, let's perfect your easy bun. Use about 3 to 5 bobby pins to secure any stray hairs or loose sections around the bun, ensuring it feels firm. For a softer, fuller appearance, gently tug on small sections of the bun to create a bit more volume. Finish with a light mist of hairspray to keep your beautiful, easy bun in place all day long. Enjoy your stylish new look.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.